Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I am excited to show you all my paintings and drawings and everything that is there in this sketchbook. There are some portraits. You can check out the videos for this on my channel. There are some watercolor paintings and tricks and hacks, and today we are going to do a oil pastel realistic raindrops window. And I'm really excited for this one because this seems easy, and actually it is easy if you follow me. So just draw some abstract shapes. These are going to be our greens because I want to show that the window, the other side of the window has some greens. So I'm just drawing some abstract shapes and just smudging the entire color. So you can see that I have taken light green and dark green, and now I'm going to take a bit more of dark green and do another layer. Here I'm just smudging everything. Now we are going to darken the corners, so I'm taking a bit of black and I'm just going to darken the corners. And once we'll smudge this, you will see how beautiful it looks and the greens will pop out more. So I'm just smudging the black color. Now I'm going over again with a green, this time the lighter green. So now I'm taking a bit of color from the area that was already sketched, like at the bottom you can see it was already colored. I'm just picking up some with my finger and putting some blobs on the top. And now I'm applying the creamish tone, skin tone, and just going over and smudging this entire thing. You will see that it makes sense because we want our whites to pop out, and if we keep everything white then the raindrops won't look that effective. So I'm giving this a skin tone. Now I'm starting with the raindrops, and this is a closer view. As you can see, I'm just drawing abstract shapes. Don't draw circles here because it will not look realistic. And these are some drops that are sliding down as well. I'm doing this with a black oil pastel, and you can see that I'm doing it very slowly. This is actually at 6 multiplied 6 speed, and still it's slow. So I'm making abstract shapes right now, and I'm doing it with black. As you can see, already it has started looking like raindrops. So now I'm going to fill the entire area like this with some smaller drops, some bigger drops, and now we are going to smudge this entire thing in our next step. For smudging, I'm going to use these earbuds because they are simply awesome and they are tiny, so you can keep the paint inside. Be very careful that don't smudge the color outside of the raindrops. Like push the black inside and not outside, and you will see in the next step why I'm doing this. So in this next step, I'm going to put highlights with a white marker or a white gel pen, whatever you can find around. Don't use pencil colors, they don't pop out much. So I'm using this, and I'm just putting white. See, I'm just putting a white section on all the drops, and you have to do this for all the drops. So these white portions will now act as highlights, and because you had smudged the raindrops earlier, you can now see that the whites will pop out more because the area inside the drops, the abstract shapes, has become a bit blackish. So now I'm going to do this with all the raindrops, and this will be very time consuming, but it is also therapeutic at times. And I'm doing this at night. It's around 1 a.m. and you can see that it's very calming. I can't express it in words. And again, like this one, a raindrop that has slid down the window. So just be very careful with these ones. It should have a very light outline and not a thick outline. I'm doing this with the entire drawing now. Slowly you will see that the raindrops will pop out, and you will be surprised and shocked as to how realistic this looks. And in the next step, now I'm going to take a black pen and just going over the outlines for the raindrops that are slid down, because I feel they are a bit smudged. Now I'm removing the tape that was around the paper, and you can see this is the final drawing. And I hope you guys like this one, because this was simple, easy, and it turns out really well, no matter how your drawing skills are, or if you're a beginner or a pro artist. So do try this one, guys, and do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot, guys, because it is only for you guys that I make these videos. And in the next video, you'll see more fun things happening, not just with art but also with crafts. So let's meet next time. Thank you.